In this video, you will learn how to change your age on TikTok using your PC. It is easy if you follow these steps. My name is Jackie, and in a few minutes, you will learn how to change your age. To change your age on TikTok, go to your TikTok account, then move right to your profile, click on it, come to the settings, click on your settings. So as you hover around your settings, you will notice that we do not have an option to change the age. So go back to our profile, click on it, and then come here where it says feedback and help, click on that. So under feedback, you have frequently asked questions. Move to the bottom where it says report a problem, click on that. So here we'll put in our problem. I need to update my birth date because the current one is incorrect. I can provide supporting documents if needed. Now remember not to just attach your supporting documents. Always wait for them to ask for any proof of a document, and that's usually your passport or your national ID. So when you're requested for those documents, upload them here and then submit. So TikTok, when you submit, TikTok will respond to you in a couple of days on how to change your birth date. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. See you next time.